Mae ymgyrch newydd genedlaethol i gyflwyno llysiau blasus i ddiet-plant. Enw'r rhaglen yw Bwytewch y Llysiau i'w Llethu. A new national campaign has recently started to introduce fantastic vegetables to children's diets. The name of the program is Eat Them to Defeat Them. Y thema eleni yw paratoi ar gyfer blwyddyn lle gofynnu i'r plant o esgyn neu lethu amharodwydd I fwyta llysiau. The theme for this year is Prepare for Battle in order to defeat the veg. Mae'n annog pob plentyn I drio llysiau a ffrwythau newydd. Beth am anfon llysiau neu ffrwythau gwahanol gyda'ch plentyn ar gyfer bwyd bore? Beth am gynnwys llysiau a ffrwythau newydd ym mhecyn cinio eich plentyn? Byddwn hefyd yn annog I y plant sy'n cymryd cinio pwyth o'r ysgol I gymryd llysiau a ffrwythau. We encourage every child to try new vegetables and fruits. How about sending your child in with different vegetables or fruit for morning snack? How about including different vegetables and fruit in your child's lunchbox? We also encourage children to choose vegetables and fruits when they are ordering a hot meal from school.
Mae'r ysgol wedi derbyn posteri ac addurniadau. Bydd sticeri I bawb sy'n bwyta llysiau. The school has received posters and decorations. There are also stickers for everyone who eat veg.
Heddiw, mae pob plentyn wedi derbyn pecyn I fynd adref. Yn y pecyn mae siart gwobrwyo a sticeri. Y syniad ydy bod plentyn yn cael rhoi sticer ar y siart pob tro maen nhw'n bwyta llysiau yn yr wythnos. Today, every child has received a pack to take home. In the pack, there is rewards, charts and stickers. A sticker can be placed on that chart every time the veg for that week is eaten.
Mae 6 o lysiau I blasu dros y 6 wythnos nesaf. Un pob wythnos. Dyma'r lysiau. There are 6 vegetables to try over the next 6 weeks. Here are the vegetables.
Sydd yr wythnos hon. Beth am bwyta mewn salad, ar toast neu amrwd? Tomato are this week. Eat them on a salad, on toast or raw.
Peas melyn sydd wythnos nesaf. Beth am bwyta fel fritter, ei stemio neu ar barbecue? Sweet corn is next week. You could prepare them on a barbecue, steamed, or in fritters.
Pupur sydd yn ystod trydydd wythnos. Mae'n bosib bwyta pupur mewn salad, wedi ei rostio neu'n amrwd. How about trying peppers during the 3rd week? Eat them as salad, roasted or raw.
Moran sydd yn ystod y 4th wythnos. Bwytewch nhw wedi ei rostio mewn salad neu amrwd. Carrots are the 4th veg. Eat them roasted in salad or raw.
Y pumed yw peas. Beth am bwyta gyda stwnsh mewn calm neu hyd yn oed gyda gwell bwyta? The 5th veg is peas. You could eat them with mash, soup, or how about trying chopsticks?
Broccoli sydd yn ystod y wythnos olaf. Mae'n bosib bwyta broccoli mewn salad, wedi ei stemio neu wedi ei berwi. Broccoli brings the challenge to a close during the last week. You can eat broccoli in a salad, steamed or boiled. Gobeithio bydd eich plant yn cael hwyl a sbri wrth glasu'r llysiau. Peidiwch â'n cofio, bwytewch y llysiau i'w llethu. We hope the children have lots of fun and enjoy tasting vegetables. Don't forget, there is only one way to defeat them. Eat them!